beauties, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are good. If you're new, I am Bria. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and don't forget to follow me on all my socials. So today's video is sponsored by MISLENS. MISLENS is a prescription and non-prescription contact lens company. So they were kind enough to send me 5 pairs of contact lenses that I actually chose. So without me wasting any of your time, let's get straight into today's video. So before I start today's video, you guys, all the links of the lenses will be in my description box for you guys, including my discount code as well. So you guys know I'm a lover of nice packaging. So all the lenses come in this nice box, you guys, that is branded MISLENS on the top and the bottom of this box, you guys. And at the back you actually get the duration of how many years the lens is supposed to stay, or how many years you're supposed to be using the lenses. And the box is also printed with the name of the lens that you will be choosing on the website. At the back of this box, you guys, you will see the lens that you have chose. Before I show you guys all the lenses that they sent me, let me show you guys all the goodies that the lenses come with. These contact lenses cases, this nice necklace, earrings that are matching with the necklace. They also gave me a mirror that is branded MISLENS. Let me show you guys the first lens that I actually chose, you guys, and it's this gray lens, you guys. You guys probably don't see it on camera properly, but you guys will actually see how it looks on my eyes. And I really do like this lens, you guys. I want to try something very different, and I've never tried lenses before, so this was my actual first lenses, you guys. So let me show you guys another pair that I actually chose on their website, and it's this blue lens, you guys. It's called the Blink Blue. You guys can actually see on camera how it actually looks like. I like how the lenses look, you guys. The quality feels so nice, and the fact that these lenses are not too heavy on my eyes, you guys, that's what I love. I'm seeing you, one takes a good time. I know you by your phone, so boy pick up your line. And another pair that I actually chose, you guys, is this red heart lens, you guys. You guys will actually see how it looks on me, and it's called the anime pink lens. That's how it actually looks on the box, you guys. You guys will actually see how it also looks on my eyes. So what's been said has been said, and I need you to know. And another lens that I actually chose, you guys, is this brown lens. It's called the Blink lens, you guys. I really do like this lens, you guys. It's more in the lighter shade of my natural eye. I need you to know. You don't know. You don't know what love is. And the last lens that I actually chose on their website is called the Blink green, you guys. And I have worn these lenses, you guys, so that's why you guys don't actually see how it looks, but you guys can actually see how it looks on the screen. You don't know what love is if you don't stay up all night crying. You don't. So that's all the lenses that I chose on their website, you guys, and I hope you guys really enjoy today's video. Make sure you guys check my description box for all the links and my discount code as well. And once again, thanks to MISLENS for actually sponsoring today's video, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Mwah.